Guys, so I'm Nikita and I stayed at Shivmana for 2 days. And to be honest, it was a grounding experience for me. The moment I entered, the first thing I saw was that it was such a peaceful environment. The space is so beautiful. It is, I think, spread in 20 acres. And to be honest, every corner of this place felt super aesthetic, super calm. And I just felt that, it's not in India, to be honest. I just felt that it's another world within itself. So the first thing I did was consulted with the doctor. I showed her the entire report and I got to know, what were the shortcomings and what were the positives that is happening inside my body. According to that, the diet was suggested. So for me, boiled diet was suggested, and then they also suggest the treatment and the therapies according to your body. So they suggested me hot stone massage. And coming to the food, so the food was it was a sattvic food. So it is, and I think they follow no grain concept, right? So you get boiled vegetables, you get broccoli soup. The food was actually delicious, though it was sattvic. It was delicious. It had very little masalas and all, but you won't feel that you are eating a boiled diet or you are on a diet. It will be a normal thing only for you. What I enjoyed most was the therapies, the yoga session that they were conducting. So they have yoga sessions for everything. Like they have yoga session for diabetes, for people suffering with thyroid, for people suffering with any other ailments. Then they also have fun yoga sessions like aqua yoga. Then they have cyclic meditation. They have normal dhyan meditation centers as well. So for each of the therapies and for each of the sessions, they have a designated place. One more unique thing that I wanted to point out is that if inside a room there is a treatment room. So in every other wellness centers that you see, the treatment room is usually outside the room and there is a designated center for it. But here the treatment room is inside the room, so people can get the treatments inside only. They really don't have to walk for other treatments, for more treatments. So this is a unique thing which I found about the center. And the hospitality, it is really good. The staff is extremely caring. They will literally take care of you, of your needs A to Z. So this is again a highly positive thing that I noticed about the center. So I will highly recommend this place. And guys, it's just 2 hours from Bangalore and I think 45 minutes from Neeramangala. I will highly suggest, do visit it and you will love it. You will love it.